Where we are now?
We're at Bella.
Bella. Okay. And what we are gonna eat today? Mediterranean. Okay. We have to set up an appointment, correct?
Yes.
Reservation. Yes. So we are here, and this is the one where we came in the morning for having breakfast. But today they are having Mediterranean, and tomorrow we reserve. I think it was tomorrow for steakhouse. So, okay.
Sorry? No. Just one for me.
Do you have mojito?
Yes.
No, little bit ice. No alcohol.
No alcohol.
This table no alcohol.
No alcohol? Spicy.
No. Huh?
Spicy.
Spicy, yeah. Thank you. So I'm gonna show you around now. They're nice. I'm waiting for my daughter. They're taking the order.
Okay.
We are gonna order when my daughter will come. Just let them know. I think so. So now morning it was a lot of people. I could not video very much, but now there is. Technically, this is the buffet for lunch. I think it was for. We came in here for. Breakfast. Then we did not have lunch. We kind of had a late lunch in Belasuro, other Casa 5 and 6. So they have this one. It's in Casa 1, where the lobby is, at the back of the lobby actually. So for only dinner, you need to take reservation. So they have another room in here, inside. So this is another room inside, and this is another one. I think this is more like a private party. I just told them that it's my son's and daughter-in-law's anniversary gift. So after finished dinner, they're gonna do something. Very nice restaurant. This is their, I'm gonna put like this. This is their menu, dinner menu. Bella Mediterranean. Very nice. So we have. I'm glad that everybody like it. They have nice decoration piece. We're waiting for our daughter to come. There she's coming. Daddy is going to pick her up. We are in the restaurant. My daughter-in-law, my son, daughter.
You play and then just hold it. Yeah, and then you can record us. Yeah. Yeah.
Now I have topic shoot.
I start talking about the boy.
There was a book. It was just a book. It's just a book.
Also book now. Book about the boy.
It was a book with Rabindranath Tagore in it.
Rabindranath Tagore. আর তুমি বাংলা পড়তে পারছো?
No, Bangla is no language.
Oh yeah.
Very. We'll check it out. Yeah, it's probably in German.
That's gonna be my night actually.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the best part of the
You gotta
trip.
read.
Yeah, because I'm not looking forward to anything else.
What you do, Nabila, you can just take some pages out.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Take some pieces. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
There you go.
Yeah. You can like yeah.
Grab my mojito from the bar. You're welcome. Wow. Yeah.
It's a picture. Wow.
Which time for that thing?
ওই যে পার্ক থেকে যেখানে আমরা কালকে থাকি না রাতে ওখানে
এটা অনেক সুন্দর, এটা অনেক সুন্দর। হ্যাঁ, আমাকে পাঠাতে, বাট আমি তো স্টিল পিকচার করি। তুমি তো আমার পাঠাবে না, ভিডিও যদি থাকে তাহলে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠাবে। হ্যাঁ, এটা অনেক সুন্দর, এটা তুমি পাবো। সেই
পাহাড়ের মতো আছে
Thank you. Nabila,
I want it. You want it?
what is this one? What?
I want it.
Baba Ganesh, right? This is Baba Ganesh. This is lentil
soup.
lentil soup. Boma ita ki?
Kofta.
Kofta?
Yeah.
And there are two
Lamb and
kofta. Kofta, lamb and beef. We might want one. I will order another one kofta. Looks very delicious.
Not good, right? It's good, I think.
Very good. And then the rest of them food are coming.
আমার
তুমি এখানে এসে ডাল অর্ডার দিছো কেন? বাসায় গিয়ে আমি তোমার কম ডাল খাওয়াই,
আমি তো অন্যরকম ডাল,
অন্যরকম ডাল।
মেক্সিকান ডাল।
বোমা, how is your ডাল?
It's okay, Mom. Thank you.
ডাল আমরা অল দ্য ওয়ে 7 সমুদ্র 13 নদী পার হয়ে এসেছি আমরা মেক্সিকোতে, আমরা এখন ডাল খাচ্ছি।
No.
শাশুড়ি আর শ্বশুর মিলে ডাল খাচ্ছে। মেয়ে,
এটা কি অর্ডার করছো তুমি তবে?
এটা মালাই কারি। This one is malai curry. What is this, Nabila?
Pineapple, strawberry, and mango.
What drinks is this?
They're pina coladas.
Okay. And what did you order?
This is steak, New York steak.
Jawad, what did you order?
Who ordered fish?
Me. একটা তোমাদের জন্য।
Thank you.
Old order.
Is that?
Yeah,
Did you
this
get
is
2
one.
orders of
Yeah,
fish?
we got 2 orders.
Oh, okay. So there's 2 orders.
This is fettuccine chicken.
And this is the Mediterranean chicken.
Oye,
This is Mediterranean chicken.
there.
This one's
Yes.
Mediterranean chicken.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Y
Enough food, no more kofta.
más.
Yeah, no. Yeah, that's it. Yes, enough.
Here. Kill me.
See?
That's face.
Oh,
This
Mucho,
is Nabila.
mucho.
What did you order, Nabila?
Fish for you.
For me,
Fish?
fish. Yes.
this is fettuccine with the chicken.
Good, good, good. Everybody. Happy anniversary to Happy anniversary! Happy late anniversary, okay?
Thank you so much.
Very good.
তাই তো নাবিলের আবার কি করে?
I was like, what's going on?
Yes, happy anniversary to them. Late anniversary. The 29th April it was, right?
29 April. Did you guys say something?